Charles and Keith is a Singaporean fashion brand founded in 1996 by brothers Charles and Keith Wong, specializing in women's footwear, bags, and accessories. It had started as a single shoe store, and now by 2025 it has over 600 stores in 30 countries and still growing. It offers a range of products with focus on modern and trendy styles at an accessible price point. The company has become one of Singapore's most successful fashion brand and has a significant international following, including collaboration with celebrities. It is now 20% owned by French luxury house Louis Vuitton. Charles and Keith uses genuine leather, fox leather, natural fabrics, synthetic fabrics, metallic components, and recycled PET. Now, I'm unboxing my first purchase, which is Charles Kitcom slim bag. This bag is in honey brown color and it is a chain strap push lock shoulder bag. It is a new edition of Charles and Keith introduced this year 2025. This color is honey brown. It is a genuine leather bag made with calf leather. It has a golden handle. It has a golden handle. It has a golden hardware. All the hardwares are golden. It is right size for casual meetings and will also work as a party wear. Accommodating the essentials only. See, there's this space for cards and a back small compartment, and you can only put essentials here. They've given us a duster bag with this. So this one you can hold it like that or make it long and carry it as a shoulder bag. The feel is really good and smooth. So moving on to our next purchase. My second purchase is Charlotte elongated top handle bag in dark brown color. Let's open this box. This is also new edition bag which has been introduced this year by Charles and Keith. This bag is modified version of Charlotte bag. This Charlotte top handle bag opens like this. Let's see it. You push it and then it opens. It is a modified version of previously very successful Charlotte bag. It is elongated than the previous original Charlotte bag. It has a strap for a soldier bag if you want to make it. This Charlotte top handle bag features an elongated body, curved handle, and a distinct golden tone buckle. It has a sharp tailored silhouette. It is made of genuine leather, giving it an elegant feel. It will only fit daily essentials only. The space is spacious enough to be taken as a casual meeting wear and even as a party wear. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.